Hello everyone, welcome back to Charli Can. Today, I'm going to be facing my fears. And if you're wondering why I have a bunch of cicada shells in front of me, it's because I'm scared of cicadas. I'm facing my fears. So, the story is, every day when I wake up to go to school, they just sit there staring at me. Okay, let's get into the video. So first, we're going to take little steps. So first, we're actually going to just look at cicada shells, which obviously they're not actually in there, but right. This is like weird. I could just feel them inside. I really don't like this. Alright guys, so now we're actually going to look at the real thing. And I can't be scared of cicadas forever. It's just a bug. But I'm still scared. So let's just bring it over. So we're just going to look at him. Alright guys. I'm really scared. I can't look at him any longer. Alright guys, we're gonna face it without the cover. Right. 3. Guys, I think I'm really facing my fears. Right, he's starting to buzz. That was scary. Okay, he was starting to get fussy. Okay, well, that experience was the worst experience of my life. And so, I heard his buzzing and I just knew. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like that, make sure to like and subscribe. And remember, if Charli can, you can too.
Charli Can.
Well, maybe.